Y'all wanna know what I did? I took my Moldavite off and hooked it over my helmet so it's sitting right on my third eye. I hear something real far away. Like a helicopter. I want a helicopter to come to. That's what I want. I want a helicopter. Somebody come get me in a helicopter. Running from myself, I can find the answer to a dream in a dream state. Looking for my tribe on the prison gang. Well, I think it is a prison break. Love follows emotion when you die for me. I could show you the way to eternity, riding on the way. Won't you tell me if you'll be my child tonight? Won't you light the candles that I'm burned to the daylight? Feeling like I'm a god in the morning. One more again for the last part. Feeling like I'm a god in the morning. Yeah. Funky. Save my brother, I say save my sister. Sacrifice your children for the world to survive. Living once in a lifetime with me. I don't think I'm coming to your shows on a dream whip. You can't tell me anything. Yeah, like that. I feel like I'm about 10,000 degrees. I had to take that Moldavite off my head. Is that thunder?
Yeah, that is.
Thunder.
I'm gonna get out of this motherfucker. If that rain don't come.
Man.
3 o'clock is perfect.
Oh, there's two of them. Look. There's two of them.
They came quick.
That was tight. See all that. Somebody please send me a helicopter. I want to record music. Run away from myself like a southbound train. About to get it with my baby, and I ain't worried about anything. On fire when I walk about on the town now. What kind of bird was that? A Black Hawk? By the way I look at it, we're just wasting time and money. I guess I could sing out in this field for 100 years though. Wouldn't it be better if somebody was making money off of it? Hey, and everybody else. I'm doing something besides singing to the sky. But I'm alright with it. The birds are listening. It's all about the birds. Hey, I just thought about something amazing. So happens all the time, but nothing real good ever seems to happen. Think about that.
Rise from through it. Bigger they come, harder they fall. That goes for knuckleheads, MCs, balls and all. I lived my first before I started to crawl. I got